In this video, we are going to see how we can get rid of or remove some of the YouTube subscribed channels that we have subscribed it to earlier. Maybe that we are not interested anymore in the suggestions from that channel. So you can manage all of that subscriptions, whether you want to change the notification settings or whether you want to completely remove it altogether. First of all, just head over to the YouTube. This is the browser version. Just click on this hamburger icon on the left hand side and it will show you all the options. But even if you have this hidden, you click on the subscriptions directly from here. Also, let me show you that if the hamburger is enabled, you have this subscription section separately shown. Click on see more. You should be able to see all of that. But if you click on that subscriptions and click on all subscriptions, then you should be able to see all the channels here. So for example, I want to get rid of or remove one subscriptions, let's say this one. We click on this and we click on unsubscribe, or you can manage all the notifications according to the settings. Maybe you want to keep this channel subscribed, but you don't want to get notifications from that channel. So you can make all of these adjustments or you can unsubscribe to it. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.